something about summer picnics and baked beans that goes together. Growing up, we had baked beans at every summer holiday picnic. But trust me, baked beans are great any time of the year. Today's recipe is a vegetarian version of baked beans, so everybody can enjoy it. I found all the ingredients I'm using at Basil Bandwagon Natural Market, where I love to shop. By the way, if we haven't met before, I'm Christine from naturalkitchenschool.com, and welcome to my kitchen. Let's get making those baked beans. I need 1/2 cup of chopped onion. This onion was packing a punch, so I need my onion goggles to get through. Onions always make me cry. I'll put a link in the description for the goggles just in case you want to check them out. They are a lifesaver. And fashionable too. I'm heating up a tablespoon of olive oil in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Add the 1/2 cup of chopped onion and a little pinch of salt to get that softening up. I'm using different types of sweeteners here. I've got a couple tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of apple butter. This is a substitute for ketchup, but you can use ketchup if you prefer. I got a 1/4 cup of molasses and a couple tablespoons of maple syrup. Personally, I think each different sweetener adds something to the baked beans, but if you're going to go with just one sweetener, you definitely want to use the apple butter because that's in place of ketchup. And then you could just go with either maple syrup or the molasses, or just choose one. It's really up to you. It's your baked beans. My recipes are always just a place to start, and then you can be creative and make substitutions where you like. Now that I've browned my onions, I'm going to go ahead and add the 1/3 cup apple butter. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of vegan Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup of molasses, two tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of grainy mustard, a little pinch or 2 of salt, and then finally we're going to add our 2 cups of cooked beans. These are Great Northern beans. You could use navy beans, and you can use canned if you don't feel like cooking them yourself. And then just stir this all together. This amount will serve 4 people. If you want to make a larger batch, just double the recipe. We're letting the beans simmer for a few minutes, and meanwhile I'm going to fry up my tempeh bacon. This is a soy product from Light Life, and it really has a nice flavor. If you're avoiding soy for some reason though, feel free to skip this ingredient. I'm heating up a skillet over medium heat, and I have a little bit of olive oil in there, just a couple teaspoons or so. And now I'm going to put my strips of tempeh bacon in there to lightly fry for a few minutes on each side. While I'm prepping, I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're just going to lightly fry it on one side and then flip it. Fry the other side. We're just going for a nice golden color here. It's not going to curl up like regular bacon. The aroma in here is amazing. It smells so good. Now I'm going to transfer the cooked beans and sauce into a casserole. This is a lightly greased, smaller size casserole that will accommodate these beans. Of course, if you're making a double batch, you'll need a bigger casserole. This is a new spa treatment, baked beans steaming. Great for your skin. I gotta sneak in a little taste. Wow. Looks amazing. It's gonna taste even better. So now the idea is just to lay the bacon in strips on top. And now we're gonna pop this in the oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, uncovered. These little extra tempeh bacon bits are for the chef. Time to sample my baked beans. Oh boy. That's what I'm talking about. So delicious. No one would ever guess these are vegetarian. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you're gonna try these baked beans. Thanks for watching, and feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And when you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll be the first to find out about new videos when they come out. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now. Happy baked bean making.